Tale about the giant and the dwarf, two genuine characters in a class of their own.
Okay, we're about to start. Your attention and speed are called for. You will jointly decide which vehicle is to be brought by lift to the stage. Behind me, you will see 5 sets, each containing 4 vehicles from the top 3 rows of our demonstration stall. We will shortly present the individual sets in large formats on the screen. That is the moment when you can vote. Choose the set containing your favorite, then simply strike the red button in front of you briefly. The set with the largest number of votes then goes into the second round. On your marks, remember up your wrists, left or right, and place your hand over the buzzer but without touching it yet, please. When we start, press as fast as you can. One other little trick, by the way, with a fast hand, you can give your favorite more than just one vote. Simply press on the button as quickly and as often as you can, but only on the set containing your favorite. The buzzer is ready for use the moment its light is switched on. Ready? Steady. Now. Stop. And now the second set. Ready? Now. Stop. And the third. Now. Stop. And the fourth follows immediately. Ready? Now. Stop. And finally, number 5. Ready? Now. Stop. Right, that's it. We have an intermediate result, but which will win? Which gets the most votes? On we go, from the set of 4 to the winner. Vote now, the system stays the same. Strike when your favorite appears big and the buzzer light illuminates. Now. Stop. Go. Stop. Charge. Stop. Yes. Stop. That's it. We have a majority decision. We have a winner. Our lift robot will shortly present our number 1. Look how carefully he does it. A small miracle of technology.
In 1901, 50% of all cars registered in New York are electric vehicles. Today they account for a few per thousand, but their numbers are growing. The reason for this is obvious. Electricity is an energy source with a great potential, and one of the first people to recognize this at a very early stage is the Swiss Max Vorlage. In 1985, he built the first type-approved light electric vehicle in Switzerland, the Vorlage I. The single-seater marked a quantum leap in the international development of electric vehicles and serves as a model for many later electric vehicles for everyday use. Vorlage works out what we require for mobility, especially suitability for everyday use, and then builds a car to suit. One might even say, first the concept chicken, and then the free-range and urban egg.